Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss the Accenture placement paper. So within that we shall discuss the section that is verbal ability. So basically here there are 10 questions which was asked under verbal ability. So this is the sample placement paper which was asked in Accenture. So this basically the verbal ability section which has three parts, like which includes first part like choose the option which will correctly fill the blanks, then which includes fill in the blanks with the articles or to find the meanings or the synonyms or the antonyms. So these are all included in the verbal ability. So in this part we will solve the fill in the blanks type questions. So in the next video I will discuss the reading comprehension part. So based on the questions I have created a simple quiz, so in which you can also take the quiz. I will be providing the link in my description box. So let's begin. So first question is like this, that is choose the option which will correctly fill the blanks. So the question is, she has great love and affection dash her grandmother. So we shall directly see the options. So first, whenever there are options you need to eliminate the options, and then the one which is left seems to be the correct answer, and sometimes it will be the correct. There will be no wrong if you follow elimination rule. So that is here there are four options like for, with, from as well as to. So we shall check by putting all the words in the blanks. Let us check whether it makes a proper sense. She has a great love and affection for her grandmother. So this seems perfect. Next we shall check with from. She has a great love and affection from her grandmother. So if we use the word from, it becomes reverse. Here she is showing the love and affection towards her grandmother. The grandmother is not showing. So here she is telling that she has a great love and affection to her grandmother. So this cannot be the option. And next thing is that she has a great love and affection with her grandmother. This also doesn't seem perfect for this blanks. Next thing is she has a great love and affection to her grandmother. No, this doesn't make proper sense. So you can say she has a great love and affection for her grandmother. So this one is the perfect which suits for that fill in the blanks. Similarly, we shall see the next question. Like we need to fill in the blanks with the correct word. So that is, but there is more dash Argentina's red wines than Malbec only. So we shall check with options, like the option is in. But there is more in Argentina's red wines. No, you cannot use in. You cannot say that there is more in Argentina's red wines. This is not correct. Next thing is option B, that is 2. But there is more to Argentina's red wines than Malbec only. So this gives proper sense. We shall see with the third option, but there is more from Argentina's red wines. It cannot be from wines than Malbec. So this is not correct. Next thing is, but there is more at Argentina's red wines. You cannot say like at wines. So this will also be inappropriate word. So the correct option you can say that, but there is more at Argentina's red wines than Malbec only. So option B is the correct answer. Similarly, we shall see the next question, like the opaque glass is the kind of material dash which you cannot see. So we shall check with the option. So opaque glass is a kind of material into which you cannot see. You cannot see into the material. So this is not correct option. Second option we shall see, opaque glass is a kind of material through which you cannot see. Yeah, there is a material through which you cannot see, because there is a opaque glass, it's a material. So you cannot see through. You can use this word through. It gives a proper sense. See, opaque glass is the kind of material through which you cannot see. So this gives proper sense. Similarly, we shall see with the third option. Opaque glass is a kind of material from which you cannot see. So it is not the correct word you need to use here. Next thing is, opaque glass is a kind of material between which you cannot see. There is a glass, you cannot see, use the opaque glass between and you cannot say like you cannot see from it. So this is not the correct word. So you can say opaque glass is a kind of material through which you cannot see. So this gives a proper sense. So we have seen the first set of questions, that is to fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. So the second set is choose the word So choose the word nearest in meaning, means we need to find the synonym from the sentence. So the sentence is like this: 25 paise coins are fast becoming obsolete. Here you need to find the word based on the options that are given, and you need to check for what word you need to find the synonym. So you can see 25 paise coins are fast becoming obsolete. You can say obsolete is the word which is different, and you need to find the meaning or the synonym for this. So you can say like the options are smaller, older, rare, as well as outdated. So you can see with the options, 25 paise coins are fast becoming smaller. You cannot say that the coins will become smaller. This is not possible. So this is not correct option. Next thing is that 25 paise coins are fast becoming older. The coins cannot become older. Human beings can become older, but coins cannot become older. So you need to eliminate this option. And the third option is rare. So the coins, they do not become rare, they are in use. But the next option you need to see, that is outdated. Like 25 paise coins are fast becoming obsolete, means outdated, which is out of date. So you can say now the 25 paise coins, they are not in use. So you can say outdated is the correct option for this question. So similarly we shall see one more question. The omly evidence was a piece of crumbled paper which was lying in a corner. So the omly evidence, omly is nothing but it's a path of evidence. It was a piece of crumbled paper which was lying in a corner. So you can see crumbled is the word which you need to find the meaning. So you can see the piece of torn paper which was lying in a corner, it is not correct. So you need to find the meaning of crumbled. So you can see crumbled is nothing but, here from the option only you can easily find out wrinkled. So wrinkled is the correct option for this question. So similarly we shall see the next question. His plans started going awry the moment he began his journey to Nagaland. You can see here these words are simple, and out of this you can see awry is one which looks like different word, and you need to find the synonym for this word. So his plans started going awry the moment he began his journey to Nagaland. Smoothly. So you cannot say the plan is going smoothly, or you cannot say plan cannot go slowly. As well as if the work is done, you can say that yeah, I did the work very well. But here they are telling like his plan started going awry the moment he began his journey to Nagaland, means the remaining option you can say wrong. So his plan started going wrong the moment he began his journey to Nagaland. So wrong is the correct option for this question. So similarly we shall see the next sort of question, which includes fill in the blanks with the article. So here we need to fill in this blank with the proper or appropriate article. Here you can see the question, the Brahmaputra rises in the Himalaya in dash Tibet. See, you need to check. Sometimes you need to use the article, sometimes you need to check the question, and if it makes a proper sense, then no need to use article, and simply you can say no article is needed. So you can see the question, the Brahmaputra rises in the Himalaya in Tibet. So only this makes a proper sentence, and there is no need to use any article. So simply you can write it as no article needed. Similarly we shall see with the next question. It is suspect that dash colleague committed the murder. So if they are telling you to include the articles, that is fill in the blanks with the articles, so after the dash you need to check. If it is starting with the constants, then you need to use either a or the. If it is starting with the vowels, then you need to use an. So here you can see, but if it is starting with constants, you need to use either a or the. A is used for singular word and the is used for plural word. So here you can say it is suspect that the dash colleague committed the murder. So you can see colleague, so it is starting with a constant letter, that is C. So colleague, and it is a singular word. So you can directly use A for this question. So it is suspect that a colleague committed the murder. It gives a proper sense. Similarly, we shall see the next question. Dash I speak was used for the murder. So here you can see it is been after the blank, you can see there is a vowel, that is I. So without any thinking you can directly use an, which gives a proper sense. An I speak was used for the murder. Similarly, the last question of this quiz we shall see. that is, it was no doubt dash stupidity to admit her into our gang. So you can say stupidity, it is starting with a constant after the blank, and you can say it is a singular word because there is no stupidities, it's a singular word stupidity, so directly you need to use an article a. So this is what the verbal section which was asked in Accenture, and it's a sample placement paper Accenture, which the section is verbal ability. So once you are done with this, you can also take this quiz. Once you are done with this, you can finish the quiz. So this is all about the Accenture placement paper, that is verbal ability part. In my next video, I will be covering the reading comprehension part. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.